This book doesn't seem right.
What's it say?
It says go forward. Seems legit. Oh!
Hey, what's the next direction?
Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Take it back now, y'all. What is this?
The trucks are a half-mile back. Are we supposed to drive them in here?
Well, the book says go, so I guess that counts for 18-wheelers too.
What does it say after that?
It's a community chest. It says go to jail, go directly to jail, do not pass go, and don't collect $200. What is this, some sort of money-making game?
I don't know, but it's the best we got. What? We have a pile of crackers and we don't know anything about the landscape and we're hopelessly hungry.
Dude, we came out here to prosper in the West. We're gonna make our own lives. We know this land like we're natives. Oh crap! All right, fine. We need food and shelter. We're gonna get some rest.
Dude, we've been traveling for like 5 minutes.
Be quiet! I'm the leader. I'm gonna be the one known who led the donut party into the majestic West.
Whatever, yo. I'm gonna go take a nap. Where are the blankets? Last I saw there was Steve.
The last time I saw Steve, he was with Joey.
I have his blanket and his clothes for some reason, but I need him.
We never said that you did.
Yes, you did.
No, we didn't.
Yes, you...
Guys, believe him. He's legit. And besides, Steve's right over... Where's Steve?
I don't know. Swear.
What is this? He has blood on his hands. I'm not hungry anymore.
Let's get some shut eye before the trucks get here.
Yeah.
Earthquake!
Must be the trucks! Oh, I'm stuck! Help! Help!
I had a wife and children. Back in the trucks. I can't believe this is really happening. I just wanted to see the other side to the ocean. And man, am I cold, oh my God.
If only we had the blankets. Oh yeah, the blankets. That'd be great. Oh, the skin is turning blue. The lights are fading.
Looks like I'm not gonna make it. Companions, who? You are my most honorable adventurer. You were honest. And for that, I reward you with the millions of dollars that I had in Missouri. I was in a town called, oh!
Rest in peace, guys.